In the ancient times, there lived a man of unwavering faith. His name was Abraham, and he believed in one God when all around him people worshipped idols made of stone and wood. The people grew angry at Abraham's faith. They plotted against him, saying, burn him in the fire." They gathered wood and built a massive fire so hot and so fierce that no one could come near it. But Abraham did not fear. He trusted in Allah completely. He knew that Allah was watching over him, and that no harm could come to him without Allah's permission. As Abraham was thrown into the raging flames, something miraculous happened. Allah commanded the fire itself. "O fire, be coolness and safety upon Abraham." And the fire obeyed. The flames that were meant to burn became cool and gentle. The heat that was meant to destroy became a comfort. Abraham stood in the midst of the fire, completely safe, surrounded by divine protection. When the people saw this miracle, they realized the power of true faith. Abraham emerged from the fire unharmed, his faith stronger than ever. This is the story of a man who trusted in Allah, and Allah protected him. Remember, when you have faith and trust in Allah, nothing can truly harm you. Allah is always watching, always protecting, always there.